Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 ML1 Katherine's Coffee Shop Weekly Payroll Instructions. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp and email are given in the first slide of this video. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting. Okay, my all my Atila Pearson courses, all Sandwich courses, Blackboards courses, and many more colleges and universities courses. Please contact me for your complete course deal. I will provide you A plus grade. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve it step by step. Please focus on my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Okay, now I'm starting my assignment. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 2 ML1 Katherine's Coffee Shop Weekly Payroll Instruction. I will guide you. You can see here. This is title of assignment. Now here is the question number 1. The question number 1 is that start Excel download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 2 ML1 Payroll XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download this file easily from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now I am going to start second question of this assignment. The second question of this assignment is that use if function to calculate the regular pay and overtime pay in column E and F based on a regular. Okay. Overtime pay in the column B and F based on the regular 40 hours work week. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute or mixed references. Pay overtime only 2 overtime hours. Note employees receive 1.5 their hourly wage for overtime hour. Calculate the gross pay if in cell G5 based on the regular and overtime pays. Spencer regular pay in $440 with 5 overtime hours. Spencer overtime pays 82.50. Okay. You can read this instruction first, then I will apply on my Excel workbook. Please focus. Basically, this question we will enter a function in cell E5. Press is equal to, and then we will press is equal to enter a function into the statement is given in the question. D5 is for horse work greater than B24. D5 B24 is absolute references value and B24 you can enter this formula and you will find regular pay in cell E5 multiplying by C5 is hourly wage and D5 is horse work and then multiplying by C5 is hourly wage. Okay, you can see regular pay will be found in cell E5. Now I am going to do next point. Okay, E5 to E16. We will copy down the formula through cell E16. Now you use fill without formatting. Fill without formatting implies hourly wages. Okay, now I am going to do next is overtime pay. We will find overtime pay. Press is equal to and enter a function in cell F5 into D5 greater than is equal to. We will enter statement is here. B24 is absolute value and then D5 minus B24 is absolute reference value. Okay, multiplying by B25 multiplying by C5 is hourly wage and 0, and then press enter. It will be found overtime pay in cell F5. You can see this value for overtime pay in cell F5. Okay, we will copy down the formula through cell F16. Now I am going to do next question is question, sorry, next point is question for gross pay. Calculate the gross pay in cell G5 based on the regular and overtime pay. Spencer regular pays $440 with 5 overtime hours. Spencer overtime pay is $82.50. Basically in this question we will find the gross pay, calculate the gross pay in cell G5. Okay, we will go to Excel workbook, click on cell G5, click on cell G5. Okay, regular pay plus overtime pay, price is equal to regular pay plus we will add in this regular pay and overtime pay, and then it will be found gross pay. Press enter. Okay, now we will use fill under through cell G16. Okay, question is done now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 3. Fill without formatting. Okay. The next question is question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Please focus on my PC screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Create a formula in cell H5 to calculate the taxable pay, multiplying the number of dependent by the deduction per dependent and subtract from the gross pay with 2 dependents. Spencer taxable pay is $422.50. Basically in this question we will create a formula in cell H5 to calculate the taxable pay. Multiply the number of dependents by the deduction per dependent and subtract that from the gross pay. Okay, we will go to the Excel workbook, press H5, press is equal to, okay, gross pay minus B5 is number of dependents multiplying by B24 is absolute, sorry, B27 is absolute reference value for B27 into dollar sign. Then we will press enter. It will be find value in cell H5 for taxable pay. Okay. Now use fill handle to the copy the formula through cell H16. Okay. Now I am going to do next question is question number 4. The question number 4 is that insert a VLOOKUP function in cell I5 to identify and calculate the federal withholding tax with the taxable pay of $422.50. Spencer tax rate is 25% and the withholding tax is 105.63. The VLOOKUP function returns the applicable tax rate which you must then multiply by the taxable pay. Okay, insert a VLOOKUP function, press is equal to, okay, press is equal to enter VLOOKUP function in cell I5. Enter VLOOKUP function, insert a VLOOKUP function cell I5. Okay, into we will enter a formula statement here. H5 is taxable pay and D23. If D23 is absolute value, we will enter dollar sign, press shift and then enter 4 button for dollar sign, and then okay, D23 to E27, D23 to E27 and 2, and the statement is true, and then multiplying by H5 is taxable pay. We will press enter. It will be find federal tax in cell I5. Okay, it will be find federal tax in cell I5. Use fill handle to copy the formula through cell I16. Use fill without formatting. Now I am going to do question number 5. The question number 5 of this assignment is that calculate FICA in cell J5 based on gross pay and the FICA rate and calculate the net pay in cell K5. Copy all formulas down their respective columns. Be sure to preserve the existent formatting in the document based on the horse Spencer worked. He paid 39.97 to FICA and had a weekly net pay of 376.90. Okay, basically in this question we will calculate FICA and cell J5 based on gross pay and the FICA rate. Click on cell J5, press is equal to, okay, we will gross pay G5, we will plus adding gross pay plus B, sorry, multiplying by gross pay multiplying by B26. Okay, it will be find FICA and cell J5. Now use copy to the fill handle through cell J20, sorry, J16 only. Fill without formatting. Now I am going to do next question is question number 6. The question number 6 is that use quick analysis tool to calculate the total regular pay, overtime pay, gross pay, taxable pay without holding tax, FICA and net pay on row 17. Okay. Use quick analysis. Regular pay. We will select. We will go to the home tab. We will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button and we will over time pay click on auto sum button. Okay, it will be show all. Now I am going to, okay, you can see here is click on autofill button. Okay, you can see net pay on row 17. Net pay on row 17. Okay, okay, okay. Now you can see here I have done this question so well. Now I am going to do next point. The next point is that use quick analysis tool to calculate the. Please, my WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. If you need help in this assignment and if you want to read for this complete course, okay, if you want to read for this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Now I am going to do next point. You can focus on my PC screen and please follow my video. I can do all this course. I have done this assignment for my many students and I have got a plus grade. Okay, now I have entered this formula in cell net pay, cell K5, J5, G5, gross pay minus I5, federal tax minus J5 is FICA. Then we will press enter. It will be fine. Net pay in cell K5. Now use fill handle to copy through cell K16. Fill without formatting. Now we will find auto sum. We will go to the home tab in the reading group. Click on auto sum button. Okay, now I am going to do next question is question number 7 of this assignment. The question number 7 of this assignment is that apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C16. Apply accounting number format to the first row of monetary data and to the total row. Apply the comma style to the monetary value for the other employees. Okay, simply we will apply accounting number format to this range C5 to C16. We will copy this C5 to C16. Okay, we will go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply accounting number format. Click on accounting number format button. Now Apply the comma style to the monetary value for the others employees. We will select all other employees and then we will apply counting number format first and then we will apply this counting number format. Okay, now we will apply the comma style to the monetary value for other employees. We will select other employees and then we will apply comma style. We will go to the home tab in the number group. Click on comma style button. This question is done now. Now I am going to do question number 8. You can see I have I have done complete assignment, but I just show you 7 question in this video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. And I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. And please reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, my lab accounting, my lab finance, Java, C++, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much. Best of luck.